welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making tea tree oil toner, so stay tuned for that. I am done. I'm good to go. We done restocked on our tea tree oil toner, which is awesome because we sold out and we needed some more of that. So I know Jasmine's gonna be happy about that. My daughter. Yes. So I will be putting these back on the website. We're in stock with the tea tree oil toner. And for you guys who don't know what it is, it's actually just individual pads that you can use throughout the month. It's a 30-day supply, right? So you just take one and you just clean your face with it. And it will actually go deep into your pores and pull out all those impurities and toxins and dirt and just deep down stuff in there that shouldn't be in your pores. And it's going to help to give you healthy skin. It's also great for acne because of the tea tree oil that's in it. It's good for inflammation. It's also good for itching, like if you you have breakouts and you're itchy, tea tree oil is great for that. Okay? Yes, so it has been updated on our Etsy shop. So you can go over there and get you some because I'm trying to tell you right now, tea tree oil toner is the bomb. But anyways, guys, you have a blessed evening, a great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.